Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now. We're back today. We've got a 2009 Ford Mustang, super clean car. The thing is just in immaculate shape. It's got a nice ding on the passenger fender right through the body line. The customer is super worried about how it's gonna come out. We've reassured her it's gonna be perfect. She has nothing to worry about and she's in good hands. So let me turn around and show you the damage. Passenger fender, and you can see it's right through the body line. Moved a little bit of metal around. This thing's going to come out absolutely perfect. We're going to take a couple extra precautions because the paint is at this point 9 or 10 years old. So I'll be back to show you when it's all done. All right, so we're probably 75% of the way through this Mustang repair. We've got the heat gun going to keep this warm. It's probably 120 degrees. Got our light on the repair. Let's see right there. We've gained access through this portion of the fender, and we've got a nice chunk of leather there to protect the interior paint. So, but it's coming out great. It'll be a perfect repair once it's done. All right, so here's the after on that Mustang. Absolutely perfect. Can't even tell it was ever there. I know the customer's going to be thrilled to death. All right, thanks for watching. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text at the number below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.